Okay, so the first of our examples, it simply says find the range of values of k for which the line y equals 8x minus k does not meet the curve y minus x squared is equal to -4. Right. So we have a straight line and we have a curve, but we want the range of values where that straight line does not meet the curve. So where it does not meet the curve, it simply means the value for the discriminant. Remember we talked about the discriminant. So the value for the discriminant should actually be less than 0. Then it means it will have no real roots, and that's the situation where it will not touch the curve. So let's say we have y minus x squared is equal to -4 as the curve, and then we also have the line y is equal to 8x minus k. So what we'll do is we'll substitute the y value that we have in the straight line into the curve. So if I put this part here, I substitute where there is y, I substitute it with that. We are simply saying we will have 8x minus k. So here where we are, it's this part. This is y. And then minus x squared equals 4. Then we rearrange this one so that it takes on the form of a quadratic equation. So what we can do, let's say negative x squared, it will be the first term, and then we can say plus 8x, then we have minus k, this one. This one, we bring it this side, it will also be minus 4, and this is equal to 0. So it has taken on the quadratic form, where we have x squared here, x is there, and then the whole of this is simply a constant. So from there, we now bring in the issue of the discriminant. We know the discriminant is simply equal to b squared minus 4ac. And if it does not touch the curve, it means this should be less than 0. So we just substitute the values from here. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is 8. Let me start with a. Our a is simply -1. Our b is this, and then our c is negative k minus 4. Or we can factorize this part, we get negative, then open brackets k plus 4. So we now substitute. Where there is b, we will put x and square it. Minus 4 is in the formula, this 4. Our a is -1, and then our c is negative k minus 4, like that. And this should be less than 0. So let's just simplify this one. We have 64, and then here -4 times 1, this will just be 4, but -4 times negative k is positive k. -4 times -4 is positive 16. So we have this, and then this is less than 0. So from there, what we simply do is to find the value for k. So we can just add. If we add this 64 and 16, let's see, okay, 64 and 16, when we add, it's giving us the 80, I think, yeah. K plus 80 is less than 0. And so the value for k, we'll simply say k should be less than 80. So this is our answer, k less than 80. We can still write it in a different form, where we can say k is a member of, we use open sets. The negative aspect is actually, it goes to infinity, so negative infinity, comma 80, all the way up to 80. So the answer can still be written as this. Thank you for watching.